Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. In the edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 12th, 2024, already solved 3 puzzles, 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, and a binary. It's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9265. Alright. Before I start, I always kind of print the digits. This one is 14. The hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10. Print the digits. Well, the publisher has indicated it with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question: do we have here single boxes or box? Single box or boxes? Yes, 2 single boxes. Single boxes are always a 1. Dual boxes. Next question. Here dual box, there dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. Here the 1 and 2. This box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. How about triple boxes then? We have here 1 triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, this box can be 3. 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Alright. Next question. Do we have here quadrat boxes? I see here 1 quadrat box. Do we have more? No. Cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. Well, then. Next strategy is to recognize some shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. And the following shape, how about this kind of shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. We have more. No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. Is connected with that box should be so 1. Then this box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. But I don't think the 2 should be here. Because if I place a 2 here, then that box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. But we already have a 2 here. So not the solution to place the 2 here. The only place left 2 should be here. A lot of 2s and 5s. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. these two boxes can be 5. Those two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. 1 digit left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. And these two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Well, we have a quarter box here. And these two boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. These two boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Okay. Then these two boxes can be 2. But also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. These two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These two boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. And then, let me see. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means in this triple box, those two boxes can be 2. If you place 2 here or here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. The only place left with 2 in this triple box should be here. So the 1 and the 3 are left. Okay. These two boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Wow. Well. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4 is connected with that box. 1 and the 4 is also connected with that box. So 1 and the 4. Well, how about here then? 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4 is connected with that box. So 3 or a 4. We need a 2 in this area. Well, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. So the other one pair left, the 3 and the 4. Okay. Alright. These two boxes can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then, let me see. Well, this box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Interesting. 1, 2. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 1 and a 3. Well, we need a 3 in this area. We have a double 3 there. That means that those two boxes can be 3. The 3 could be here, could be there. We need a 3 in this area. But this box can be 3. We have a double 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Come on. Well, come on. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Well. No 3 here. Need a 3 there. Yeah, the difficult part. 3, 4. 1, 4. 3, 1, 4. Well, I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2. It can be 3. We have a double 3 there. It can be 4. We have a double 4 there. It can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. So if eliminated here the 3, so 3 goes there. 1 or a 4, we have a 1 here, so this box should be a 4 is connected with that box should be, so 4 is connected with that box should be, so 4. 1 or a 4, we have a 4 here, so this box will be a 1. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left with a 3 in this area, supposed to be here. These two boxes around the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left with a 3 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area, 1 was 1 and a 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 3 goes there, is connected with that box, so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for number 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, no 1 goes there. Well, 3 and 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 3 goes and there. Well, this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I need a 1 here. And 2. This should be also 3 and a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. How about here then? 3 or 4. This should be 3 or 4. We have a 1, 2, 5. Here also 1, 2, 5, 3 or 4. Ay, 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 ay. This should be 4 or 5. Can we have 3 here? No 5 here, so the 5 should be here. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. Yeah. This box should be a 4 then. Then these 3 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there then. Okay. So the 2, the 1, and the 5 is missing here. Oh, what here? 1, 3. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Taking too long. Oh, overlook this 4. 3 to 4, we have a 4 there. This should be the 4, this should be the 3. 3 to 4, we have a 4 there, so this box should be a 4. This should be a 3. 3 or 4, we have a 4 here, so this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 4 or 5, we have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. These 3 boxes, 1 and 4 can be 4, so this box should be a 4. Eliminated the 2, so 2 goes there, so the 3 and the 5 are left. 1 and a 3 are left. Come on, come on, come on. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, give me 2, give me 3, it should be a 4, give me a 5, yes, definitely a 4. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, we have a double 1 there, can be 2, we have a double 2 there, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 3. Well, we have a double 2 there, that means that this box can be 2 and more, that box should be a 2, this box should be a 1. 1 or a 2, we have a 2 now, so this can be 2 and 1, this box should be a 2, this box should be a 1, these 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box number 1 in this area is supposed to be here, 2 numbers left for numbers 2 to 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 5 goes there, 3 to 5, 3 to 5, 1 and a 3, we have 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here, 3 goes there, 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, no 3 there, 3 should be here, 5 goes there, 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, no 3 there, 3 should be here, 5 goes there, Mark those two boxes with a 2. We have a 2 now. This can be 2 and 1. That box should be 2. 2 numbers left. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 3, 1, and a 5. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left with 1 should be here. So 3 and a 5. Eliminated the 3. So 3 goes there. Final number 5. 15 minutes. Well. Let me give this as 2 stars. But we solve again. Not the 3, not the 4. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic first day. Until then, bye-bye for now.